Morning everyone. I thought I'd start this Vlogmas video with my advent calendar opening. It's December the 3rd. I won't be vlogging every day. I will try to post a video each day, but my Vlogmas videos will just have number 1, number 2. So I've already shared vlog number 1. It's going to be on a playlist and you can check it out if you want to. So I'm going to open my Asos beauty calendar. I'm going to do my technique one, my planner one, which apparently is a minimalistic sticker planner advent calendar for planner girls. I'm also going to show you today in this video the Asos beauty box, which I got, and a couple of other things. I'm going to make a really nice salad if you're looking for food inspo. So yeah, let's see what happens today. I'm working from home, so I don't really go out in the week that much because I'm lucky enough to be able to work from home. So let's start with what was in yesterday's advent calendar. So this was in the Asos one, which is a beauty sponge from a brand called Spectrum, I guess. Yep. And in the Technique one, there was this, which is lip gloss. So 3 shades of lip gloss. I have no idea what color they are because, as I've said, if you've never watched my videos before, I'm colorblind. Now, the number 2 day was a little bit disappointing because I probably should have read the description of the advent calendar, so I don't think it's the shop's fault. It's just mine. Anyway, I haven't spent a fortune on this, but anyway, if you like minimal things, I think you might like this advent calendar. So you got the days in a nice print. I think I could use this as a countdown for Christmas or something. I'm also going to set up my Christmas planner, so if you're a planner girl, stay tuned. That's going to come today as well. I want to do that. Now, let's see what's in the advent calendar number 3, which is, I guess, this one. Yep. So I'm going to pause 1 minute and take it out. Ooh, it has a nice box underneath. So this is day 3. Let's open it now. Let's see, what is this? Da-da-da-da. There it is. It fell out. So it is Sand Sky Australian Pink Clay Pure Pore Fining Face Mask. Cool. Gonna use this. Then here, number 3. Let's find number 3. Where is number 3? So that's number 3, a little eye shadow brush with 2 ends. I can't take it out. It didn't have a number 3, but this is the only one that I couldn't see a number for, so I'm guessing that is it. And finally, let's go to day 3 in the stickers. I like the envelopes. Let's see what's in here. The back. Let's see. What is this? All right. These are nice little animals. Cool. Nice forest spread. I think this is my favorite one so far. And yeah. So this is a bullet journal deco winter wonderland, and the shop is called, let me tell you. I'll put it in the description box. I can't find it. So that's the beginning of my vlog. Let's continue. I'll stop in later. Remember, I'm going to show you my Asos box and I'm going to set up my Christmas planner. Even though I'm working from home, I always, put on a little bit of makeup and put on a bit of, you're going to see my face in a bit. Put on some perfume, and I got this from Next. If you're looking for an affordable stocking filler or an affordable gift, you take this one out. It's from Next and it's called White Amber. It's very nice. If you like amber scents, this is a nice scent. It lasts long, and I think it was only like £4, so it's a nice size. It fits in my hand. You can chuck it in a stocking filler, or chuck it in your bag, not a stocking filler, something like that. So that's a perfume idea. In general, Next sells lots of little perfumes, so you might want to stop there and check it out. So now you can see me. I've put on all my skincare. There'll probably be bits of cream on my face. And I'm going to, because I finished some of the products I used, so I'll tell you about them. This wasn't planned. An extra bonus. Oh, that's my finger. So let's just turn the camera. Okay. So things that I have finished. I'm not gonna keep on using. It's almost at the. I'm almost finished this tube, but it's starting to smell a little bit like iron or something. So, not keeping this anymore. I really like it. This was my second one, but I'm gonna move on to a stronger vitamin C. This is a good way to start, or at least that's what I've read. Sorry about that. Ah, hang on. Let me find out how I'm in the kitchen. Okay, so as I said. My hands are slippery because I have cream on it still. So that's not going to be used anymore. I got this during the summer. I finished it. It's the Glow by Boots eye cream. And it's all right. It smells nice. I think this is something for the summer. And it's just one of the cheap lines of Boots. So I'm not going to repurchase this at the moment. But if you want to try this line, you should definitely try the Glow Essence. It smells amazing. I just use it every morning because I like the way it smells. And then this was in my quarterly travel set, and it's the what's it called? Vino Sauce Sorbet Hydrating Face Cream. What you see behind is cordial. So I liked this. I think Quarterly is one of my favorite brands. I love everything from Quarterly. So I think getting a travel set to try things out is nice. This is quite a thick cream. It was great for traveling and I just finished it off. So it's the next day and that's the kettle. Hang on, I'm going to wait for the kettle to stop. So the kettle is done. I have not finished the vlog. I've thought about how I'm going to be doing Vlogmas, so I'm going to be posting vlogs as much as I can and content as much as I can, probably something every day. And then I'm going to name the vlogs of Vlogmas 1, 2, but that doesn't mean it's day 1 or 2, so whatever day it is. So I'm going to finish off this vlog with, I'm going to show you the Asos thing and I'm going to do my planner thing. And then I'm going to film more vlogs and other content today because I'm on annual leave. Woohoo! And I get to do things that I like and not worry about work. I don't know where to look because I don't know where the camera is on my phone. Anyway, I shall show you the Asos products and I'm going to show you my Christmas planner setup. Okay, so no makeup on. And let's go. So this is the Asos box. It's worth £12 and you can get it now. I have an annual delivery thing, so I don't pay for delivery. Premium delivery or something like that. I don't know what it's called. So you open it up. Tissue paper. I've already seen it, so I'm not going to go like, oh, so exciting. So, yeah. The box is quite... it's not as sturdy as the Look Fantastic or the Glossy Box one. It's a box. I never keep them, so that doesn't bother me. And then you get the information. And it has, let me read. So you get the Bare Minerals mini lipstick in the shade Courage, I think. And it's a full lip full of lip smoothing color, and it's Bare Minerals. Yeah, the color is called Courage. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to put it on because I think it's not a dry one, it's a quite dark shade. I'm guessing it's a red. Oh, is that Hailey Bieber? Anyway, I think so. Now, I'm just going to open it. It's taking forever and ever. Okay. Okay, going to tear it. Oh, there's information inside. Oh, God. Why do they make it so hard with this packaging? I really don't understand. Okay, got it out. So this is the colour Close Up. That is, I don't know what colour, I need to check it, but it is a dark colour. And this is what it is. So it's that colour. So Bare Minerals, the colour Courage. Then you get a Real Techniques sponge, always handy. You get a Smashbox mascara. And let's see the wand. What's the wand look like? Ooh, nice and long. I'll put these on later. Try it out. I need to. I'll do a get ready with me. Not now, but later on. And then you get the Ultimate Eye Look palette from Revolution Pro. Is this Makeup Revolution? Why is it called Pro? I don't know. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. So let's see. Oh, this one opens easier. So the packaging is really nice. Look at that. So, sorry. And then I'm gonna open it. Ooh, interesting colours. So, these are the colours. It's called Jaded. So Jaded. That's my computer. I've got you on my computer. So that's that. Really nice. Hang on, let's just swipe one to see the colour payoff. So I'm putting my finger in this one. Oh, that's quite pigmented. This is what that colour looks like. I'll try it and see what it's like. And then the other one, this one. Let's see. It's hard when you can't see colours. That's that. When you can't see colours, it's not that great. Oh, so those are the two shiny ones. So you get this palette, the So Jaded one, and finally you get the Professional Dainty eyelashes. So if you like putting on eyelashes, I like wearing them, but I can't put them on myself. So I have to see, or maybe I'll put them in a giveaway. We'll see. So this is the Asos box, and it costs £12. So it's nice. I wanted to try it. I think it's still in stock. So if you want to check it out, you should go to the Asos website and just type in beauty box. So I've made my nice decaf. I was going to show you what I was going to make for lunch, but I forgot that yesterday. And I'm having instant coffee Kenko. As I said, I've stopped decaf. Why am I showing you this though? I finished one of these, which I ordered. These are really yummy coffees. I'm going to move on to the caramel. They're expensive. You get them off Amazon, but if you're sick and tired of having the same old decaf, you should check it out. So that's one of the drinks I really like drinking. Then I try to not eat too many chocolates, so I've replaced that with Galaxy hot chocolate with just water, and I really like that. I tried this one, but I'm not a fan. I got the options mint. If you've tried any of these and you like them, let me know. But this one, even though I love After Eights, I did not like this one. And then my favorite chai latte is this one. If you haven't tried this one, you should. It's so nice. If you like cinnamon, you're really going to like this. This is really nice, good stuff. So I'm going to have my breakfast. I'm going to have my frigañes, which are from I showed a vlog yesterday or the day before, my first vlog. These are like dry bread, something like that. That's what they look like. And I love these. And you can order them from that Greek shop I showed in the other one. It's called Agora. It's an online store called Agora something. And I'm going to have some dry bread with a little bit of butter and coffee, and then do my planner. Oh, and another empty. So this is the Revolution, what's it called? Calming and, oops. It's the rose and chamomile soothing serum. I really like serum. I really like the way it feels, and it smells really nice. I finished it. I'm not going to repurchase this at the moment because I have other serums, but I will maybe later on. So as I said, I'm going to show you my planner and finish off this vlog. So this is my Christmas to-do list, things I want to do, and I'll just quickly show you the other section. So there is a section, I'm going backwards because there's a section for memories. Hang on, let me just go from the beginning. There we go. So we have a section for menu. So I'm going to write down my Christmas things I'm going to make. And then there is a section for recipes. So I'm going to write down whatever recipes I want to make. Then there is a party section. I'm not going to have many parties. So that's why there's a gift exchange. Then there is cards and gifts. I like how the cookie exchange has tips. Then there is a gift. So this is the card list. I'm going to fill that in today. And the, what's it called? Gift ideas. And finally, a notes page, which is what I filmed. If you want to watch it, it might be already posted on my channel. So this is my happy planner sorted for Christmas. So let's turn the camera. So beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. As I said, I'm going to try to post every day when I can. So it would be great if you join me. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye. Yasas. Bye.